Hello, welcome back to Harriet's Custom Computer Art Plus. This is going to be a very fast tutorial. One of the subscribers brought it to my attention that I hadn't made the how to assemble for this sleepover card invitation. So I'm going to show you that right quickly. Now this is the normal size that I made it, but this particular customer each year wants one to commemorate her daughter's birthday party. Her daughter likes to collect them. So all you do is you take the pineapple front and the first side of the party information. You're going to put these back to back. You could stack it by the angle to make it straight. And once you have it pretty straight, I'm just going to run some glue right here along the bottom. I didn't run it all the way over because we're going to put a crease on this corner, that side, so that the card will open. So I'm just putting a little hot glue right there. I'm going to put some down this side. Put some across here. Not so close that it seeps out. And then on this side, I'm just going to use a little tumbo glue so that it will be very flat. You can use hot glue if you like, but it might make it a little harder to make your crease. So I'm just going to, if I can get my tumbo down, I'm just going to get that started and put a line of tumbo in there. And I put a little too much, squeeze a little too hard, but I'll clean that up. So I have my front cover glued together, and then you see the underside of the invitation, and it's going to go over just like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my scoring tool that comes with, that I bought to go with my Cricut. I think it actually, no, I bought that separately. And this, if you can use a bone folder too, anything that has a blunt point so that you can make a score line to fold on. And I'm just eyeballing this, and I'm just going to make a line to fold this side up on. And you can do either side. I think in the original I might have had it on this side, but it doesn't matter as long as you get a score line there. So now that I have my score line, I'm going to attach it to my base here for the back. I probably have enough tumble on there to do it. And you're just going to line that up with the corner. Press it on. Put your pillow in so that it's covering the writing. Drop your doll in. Close it up. And that's your sleepover invitation. Here they are side by side. I made a custom envelope to go with this invitation, just using some cardstock, or you can use just regular copy paper. And if you'd like to know how to do that, just leave me a note. I take requests. I also made a miniature doll as a sticker closure for the sleepover invitations, and I can show you how I did that as well if you want. But there you have your invitation. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and if you want to be notified the minute I have new videos, just hit the bell and you'll be notified as soon as I get them uploaded. Thank you for watching Harriet's Custom Computer Art Plus. I'll see you next time. Thank you for stopping by Harriet's Custom Computer Art Plus. Please remember to subscribe and to leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.